So my name's Anthony Wong. I'm based here in Sydney, Australia. I'm the Asia Pacific Vice President looking after our software portfolio for Rockwell Automation. So that really covers our IoT platform, our MES, really everything that relates to the digital transformation of our manufacturing. The great thing about Plex is it's really focused on accelerating the digital transformation for our manufacturing customers. And I think some of the advantages of Plex is it's actually born in the cloud. Like, it's about 30 years old. It's cloud native and actually started from the shop floor when it was developed. We talk about this technical term where it's single instance, multi-tenanted, which basically means that whenever you have a version update or an upgrade, all of our customers, because it's on a cloud-based model, actually get those updates. So you don't have to go through any of those costly upgrades every 2 or 3 years. It actually just happens as you go. All the advantages that you hear about cloud in terms of deployment, ease of use, and also where it really shines is when you talk about multiple sites, or whether that's across the same country or across multiple countries. It's just really a great platform in terms of being able to get that enterprise visibility with that sort of technology. Yeah, I think when you think about a lot of the traditional systems, I think this is where the convergence of IT and OT have started to accelerate this, where more customers want to get and leverage more out of their IoT or their plant-wide data and get more insights into that. I think some of the challenges is that there's not a lot of resources or costs where you want to put in infrastructure like servers and people to support that. I think as you think about Netflix and Amazon and all of these new technologies where people are just used to having things just readily available as a service, I think we're moving towards that sort of approach when you talk about manufacturing software. I think it's probably got to the stage where people are more comfortable about using SaaS and also almost handing off a lot of the maintenance around, for example, cybersecurity and all the updates and installation off to someone else so they can focus on actually doing what they do best, which is manufacturing product. So I think that's one of the key areas, and also the speed of deployment. We seem to see on average that we can deploy one of these complex sort of MES-type systems in 6 to 9 months, which is extremely fast and getting very quick time to value. So yeah, I think definitely that deployment, that ease of visibility and the ease to actually scale up, not just from one site or one line, but to multiple sites, multiple lines across multiple countries.